Welcome to our channel. Canva not working properly? Follow these solutions to fix loading issues and export errors for smooth design creation. Step 1. Check Canva server status. Visit Canva's status page or social media for service disruption announcements. Step 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. Remove Canva-specific data to resolve loading and rendering issues. Step 3. Try different web browser. Switch between Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge to identify browser issues. Step 4. Disable browser extensions temporarily. Ad blockers and other extensions can interfere with Canva functionality. Step 5. Check internet connection speed. Canva requires stable broadband for uploading images and exporting designs. Step 6. Reduce design complexity if exporting fails. Remove some elements or lower image quality for easier export. Step 7. Update browser to latest version. Outdated browsers may lack features required for Canva operation. Step 8. Contact Canva support if persistent. Use Help Center chat for specific account or technical issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.